Rob Lyer and Hughes outline the various types of data collection software tools and programs that help educators identify the appropriate resources for instruction, formative and summative assessments, and learning tasks for students. Data collection and analysis inform the teacher of students' progress toward meeting the learning objectives and standards. Teachers can analyze the data for patterns and trends that indicate content or concepts that may require reteaching. Data collection is also crucial to crafting constructive and actionable feedback for students. The feedback supports students with monitoring their progress and identifying where there are opportunities for growth. Additionally, students benefit from data collection and analysis when they are a part and participate in the goal-setting conversations. It gives them a voice and helps them better understand the goal they are trying to reach and assess their work. One of our district's continuous school improvement goals focuses on students monitoring their progress. This entails students setting goals relevant to their learning needs. In some schools, students track their progress through digital portfolios. In many of our elementary grades, students have pocket folders or binder-style portfolios as they learn how to set goals and monitor their progress at the foundational levels. When I was a classroom teacher, I utilized both types of portfolios with students. The one-to-one conversations made the students feel like learning was not done unto them, but with them. Students kept a page in their portfolio that stated their goals in their handwriting and typed by me. There was a page with graphs for them to physically color in the graphs, or for those students who could create graphs on the computer, they filled in the graphs in that format. This process allowed them to compare data to previous assessments. Another page was a chart for them to record their reflections on their learning and establish modified or new goals, noting what they would do to improve. The benefits were that the students took greater interest in the quality of their work and increased their confidence. The use of rubrics was one of the most powerful tools for students, and for me as an educator, as it outlined the expectations and criteria for success. Students had definitive markers to help them set their goals and to know what they needed to do to be successful. In my current role as a professional practice and improvement specialist, I support school leaders and educators by considering appropriate assessment tools for the beginning, middle, and end of instruction. With the increased use of digital resources in our classrooms, educators can use click and response devices during the beginning of instruction to gauge what students know about the topic. Students can use these responses so that they know what they understand about the topic. A data collection and analysis tool that works very well, extremely well, is Pear Deck. I support and encourage educators and school leaders to utilize this digital resource to promote equity and access to learning for all students. Students are empowered through this resource as they can see their results in real time. We have noticed at times students focus more on their score than on being able to articulate what they learned or need to do to make improvements. We have also learned that too much attention to the data and not enough attention to ensuring the learning tasks are rich with active participation and cognitive engagement will skew the results, leading to unreliable data. So part of making data collection purposeful and its analysis effective for teachers and students, we are cognizant and intentional about not over-assessing and redirecting students to how their work efforts contribute to their scores and success.